My brother-in-law, who was visiting me last year, said each clock in my house tells a different time. He was exaggerating a little, but it is true. Not all of them are synchronized. I have the same problem with my voltmeter. This is an inexpensive voltmeter, multimeter from Walmart, about $20. This one is from Harbor Freight. I think it was on sale $3-4. This one here is connected to the same battery as this one. This one here is 8.43. This one 8.75. I know this one is more accurate because it ties in or has the same voltage as the voltmeter I have in my garage with my solar panels. So what I needed to do is to readjust or recalibrate this to the same voltage as my other meter. Just take the back cover off. The back cover is like this. Two screws holding it, unscrew them, and you see this variable resistor here. I think it's a 200 ohm resistor, 201. You can use a screwdriver or you can use your finger. You can just turn this. Okay, turn this here. I'm going to adjust that. I'm just turning it so both of them would read the same. I think I'm getting close to it. Yeah, close enough. It was reading consistently high, about a quarter of a volt. So that's all you have to do. Turn the trim pot to a value that you know is correct, and then you can also check your battery to make sure this has enough voltage, otherwise it'll of course give an incorrect reading. Then you just close your meter back up and you will have a somewhat accurate meter. Alright, thanks for watching.